There are a ton of YouTubers that talk about investing in penny stocks and suggest that you can make a lot of money by doing so. Now, being the skeptical person that I am, I decided to conduct a small experiment to see if it's actually possible to make money investing based off of penny stock tips from YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to find 5 totally randomly selected penny stock tips from the YouTube search results, and I'm going to invest $50 in each one of those stocks. These 5 stocks will be added to my diversified experimental penny stock portfolio, which I've been building up over the past couple of weeks, and the total value is sitting at around $1,300 as of the time of this recording. Now, without further ado, let's go to the YouTube search bar and see if we can find some random penny stocks that YouTubers are recommending right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to type in best Canadian penny stock. And the reason why I'm only searching for Canadian stocks is because my broker charges a fee for investing in foreign markets like in the US. So I'm going to stick to Canadian penny stocks for now. Before selecting my 5 random penny stocks from YouTube, I want to filter the search results so that I get the most recent penny stock tips and the most relevant penny stock tips. So I'm going to go to the filters here, and I'm only going to search for videos that have been posted this week. With those search criteria in place, let's see what the results are. I'm going to choose the first 5 videos that pop up down below, and I'm going to buy the first penny stock that is recommended in each one of those videos. If one of the videos has multiple penny stock recommendations, I'm only going to take the first one. The first video was actually not talking about penny stocks, so I'm going to jump to the second one, which is by a YouTuber called McNally Money. It has 269 views, and it's called Top Stocks Under $1. So I know for sure that these are going to be penny stocks. Let's check it out. The first penny stock that's recommended in this video is called Rockshield Capital Corp, or ticker symbol RKS.CN. Rockshield Capital is based out of Vancouver, was founded in 2007, and is actually a venture capital company that's publicly traded. So it invests in very early stage companies to try to get in on the ground floor of new profitable ventures. The company says that it focuses mainly on agribusiness, food tech, and plant-based investments, which I guess makes sense since they're based out of Vancouver. Stock looks like it's trading for around 70 cents Canadian per share, but has had a pretty big run up over the past 12 months. You can see back in November, it was trading at 7 cents, 8 cents Canadian, and now has jumped all the way up to 70 cents. So if you bought in back then, this would have been an actual 10 bagger. Now let's go back to the search results and find the next one. The next penny stock video that I found is this one called Good Natured Products is a must-have environmental play. It's by a YouTuber called The Conti Show with 56 views. And the ticker symbol is GDNP.V. Good Natured Products Inc. is based out of Vancouver, and it's been around for a long time actually, since 2006. What does the company do? Well, it provides plant-based packaging. So as an alternative to plastic, you can purchase these products to package up your food products, I guess, and all kinds of other things. If I look at the 1-year stock chart, you can see that back in September of 2020, this stock was trading at around 14 cents Canadian and has since had a massive run up, peaking at $1.85 Canadian, but since coming back down to about $1 even. But it's going to be in the portfolio and we will see what happens. Now let's find the third random penny stock. I found a video by a YouTuber called Penny Stocks, and it's titled Altaley Mining Corporation, or ATLY.V, Canadian penny stock. So this sounds promising. Let's check it out. Altaley Mining Corp is a gold and silver mining company that's based out of Vancouver. It has a market cap of just under 140 million with no dividend yield. It is what would be considered a junior mining company, and the stock has actually seen quite a decent run up over the past couple of months, but has just pulled back recently, pretty much since that video was published that I was looking at. So we'll see if I'm trying to catch a falling knife here, or if I'm getting in at a good buying opportunity and I might get some profits on the upswing. All right, the fourth company is going to be this video, another one by McNally Money, and it is a stock in the Mary Jane space, and it goes by the ticker symbol AYUR. Ayurcann Holding Corp is based out of Pickering, Ontario, and it's a company that just launched a new digital marketplace for the provision of Mary Jane products to adult customers. If you look at the Barron's website, the analysts say that it's a buy, so that is backing up the YouTube stock tip recommendation. It's a very, very small company though, with shares trading at 25 cents and the total market cap being just over $100 million Canadian. So very, very small. I'm gonna add this one to the portfolio as well. McNally Money, don't let me down. All right, and the fifth and final randomly selected YouTube penny stock is going to be this one. It's ticker symbol PNG.V on the Canadian markets, and it's called Kraken Robotics Incorporated. This video is by a YouTuber called Finance AP, who looks like he's about 18 years old. Kraken Robotics is a small startup company with a market cap of just under $80 million, but it was founded in 2008. If I look at the 5-year chart, you can see there's been quite a lot of fluctuations in the price of the stock since 2018. If I look at the 1-year chart, it's been really on a downward trend, especially in the last 6 months or so. The company specializes in oceans robotics. If you go to their website, you can see they produce all kinds of unpiloted vehicles, all these little underwater drones and things like that. So I'm gonna pick up this one and we'll see what happens. We'll see if it can reverse its downward trend from about February of this year. All right, so I've got my Wealthsimple app pulled up on my phone, and I'm gonna throw it up here for you so that you can follow along as I buy these 5 random YouTube penny stocks. Now you can see that the total value of my portfolio right now is sitting just shy of $1,300, and I have about $270 cash, which I'm going to invest right now. Going down here to the watch list, these are the 5 ticker symbols that I randomly selected from the YouTube search results, and I'm going to buy $50 each of every single one of these stocks. First up is Altaley Mining Corp, and I'm going to be able to buy 91 shares of this company. Continue with that, confirm the order. Done. Next up is Ayurcann Holdings Corp. And this one's trading for only 24 cents Canadian per share. So I'm going to be able to buy over 200 shares of this one. 204 shares to be precise. The third random penny stock is that Good Natured Products Incorporated, trading at just under $1. So I should be able to buy exactly 50 shares of this one. The fourth company on the list is Kraken Robotics, and I can get 107 shares for that $50. And the fifth and final penny stock that I'm going to buy today is Rockshield Capital Corp. For $50, I can purchase 72 shares of this company, which I will do now and confirm. All right, so there we go. My experiment has now launched, and we will see over time what the results are of investing in totally random penny stocks that were recommended to me by the YouTube algorithm in the YouTube search bar. If you're curious to follow along and see how this experiment goes, see how the portfolio develops, and if you want to see me talk about some of the other penny stocks that I invested in this penny stock portfolio, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and I will see you next time.